Welcome to the Year 11 Higher Progress Test 1A, Question 3. Now Question 3 is all about cumulative frequency. We are told that 24 students took a test and a table shows the information below. Now with this, for cumulative frequency, it's a running total. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this table for my cumulative frequency. We can see that 3 people score between 20 and 40, not including 20. Now, for cumulative frequency to be a running total, we're now looking to see how many students scored between 20 and 60. So this is 3 plus 5, which is 8. The next stage, we're looking to see how many people score between 20 and 80. So that's 8 plus our 12, which is 20. And we're now looking to see how many people score between 20 and 100, which is 24. Now, our last number should always equal to the total number that the question's asked us. So we know that we've got this right. Now the next stage is to plot this information. Now we can see that the lowest possible mark was just above 20. So I'm going to first plot that value. So at 20, we know that nobody scored 20. We now need to plot all of the cumulative frequency values with the upper limit. So that means at 40, there was no more than 3 people. Now it's quite difficult to plot these coordinates, so you might want to use a ruler to make sure that you are in line with these. Now next one is 60 and 8, and 80 and 20, and the last one at 100, 24. Once we have all of these plotted, the next stage is to plot a smooth curve. Do not connect these with a straight line. So this gives us our cumulative frequency diagram for the marks given. Now question B tells us to use the cumulative frequency diagram to estimate the interquartile range. Now the interquartile range is your upper quartile, take away your lower quartile. Now to calculate the lower quartile, that is the quarter of your total amount of students. So a quarter of 24 is 6, so our lower quartile is at 6, and the upper quartile is at 18. That's 3 quarters. Now with this, we do not do 18 take away 6. What we need to do is we need to use the graph and work out the value of 6. So when we use the graph, we go across and we go down. We can see that in our case, from my graph, that the lower quartile is 54. Be careful that the scale goes up. So lower quartile, and we've got 54. Now the next one we need to do is find the value of the upper quartile. We're going to use the same method, so we're going to go across at 18, and then we're going to go down to work out the value of the upper quartile. Now again, the scale, it goes up in 2s, so the upper quartile this time gives us 74. So the interquartile range is 74, take away 54, which is 20. Do not worry if yours is a little bit out. Each graph will be different. But as long as you've used a value that you've got from 18, which is upper quartile, and 6, which is lower quartile, and you've found the difference, then you'll still be awarded the marks. Thank you for listening.